Hi, I'm Alicia, and I am actually conducting my behavior change project on a client that has repetitive motor behaviors. The article that I chose to share with you is called Social Interaction and Repetitive Motor Behaviors. The research was conducted by Lofton, Odom, and Lance, and the purpose of the research was to identify if teaching a client social skills would actually decrease repetitive motor behaviors. The dependent variable in this case would be the repetitive motor behaviors, whereas the independent variable would be the social skills that are being taught to the client. The research inter-observer agreement was at an 85% on all categories, and I do actually want to make note that in the research itself they discussed that they had an inter-observer agreement for each of the participants in terms of their behavior because it was so specific, and each of the repetitive motor behaviors were different, but they still reached an 85% inter-observer agreement for that. And the fidelity of treatment was conducted for 94% of the sessions with 100% accuracy in the implementation of the intervention. The results itself actually showed that all three participants increased their social skills from baseline, as well as showing a decrease in the repetitive motor behaviors, which is not surprising considering they were teaching the clients social skills in terms of the intervention itself. And a limitation that they had discussed was in terms of the repetitive motor behavior and a social skill interaction being incompatible with one another. So when the social interactions are happening, it's actually incompatible to also be engaging in the repetitive motor behaviors at the same time. Another thing that they had mentioned was that they actually did not perform a functional analysis prior to conducting the research, and a functional analysis could actually provide quite a bit of information that could have been helpful for the research. So that's my article, and I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.